Carl here with Columbia Water Gardens, and here's another project we wrapped up this week. We are so busy right now we can't even see straight. This pond behind me is a remodel, and it's a remodel because of gopher invasion. You would not believe how many gopher holes there were throughout the liner, especially up in the waterfall area. These are all chew marks right here from rodents that worked their way through this liner. I mean, it was like literally everywhere. Look at all that back there. Look at all this right here. It's insane. So what we had to do is we literally had to completely deconstruct this pond all the way down to bare soil. And here's the defense mechanism that we put up here. And we can't say that any water feature ever is totally going to be critter proof, but here's what we did in this particular case. We laid down chicken wire. Then on top of that, we took underlayment in big strips and we dipped it in concrete. Then we put those pieces of concrete infused underlayment down on top of the chicken wire. Then we put down another layer of underlayment on top of that. And then on top of that, we put down our 45 mil EPDM rubber liner. And the reason why I like the EPDM rubber liner is because it comes with a 20-year warranty from Firestone and is very easily patched. So God forbid there's another problem, it's an easy patch job. Okay, so we've got our first liner, our first layer of rocks down, and all underneath here we have this concrete cloth. This is yesterday's that we put down. This is the fresh stuff we just put down on top of it. And now we're shelving in with chicken wire around this and covering over the top of it with more concrete cloth. This stuff here hardened up really nicely yesterday. Look at this. So it's not so much that it's going to crumble underneath the liner and cause any kind of issues, but it is firm enough to be able to add that extra layer of deterrent. I mean, we can't say that this pond's going to be gopher proof, but we're doing everything we can. So we have a layer of chicken wire, concrete, infused underlayment. Then we have another layer of underlayment on top of that before we get to the liner. So it's a pretty big deal what we're doing out here. So let me walk you through the project and I'll show you what we got. As always, at Columbia Water Gardens, I love building with big boulders. This rock that I'm standing on top of easily weighs 1,500 pounds, and it's huge. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the shelf, and it frames in the skimmer here beautifully. Inside this skimmer, I have an Aqua Surge 4,000, 8,000 variable speed remote control pump, and this skimmer here can handle this flow. There's another skimmer behind me over here with an Aqua Surge 5,000. So inside this skimmer here, we got 5,000, and this guy here, he's up, I don't even think he's up at full blast. And the customer has a remote control. This pond has the capability of, what is that, 5, 10, 13,000 gallons per hour. There's so much flow coming off of these two pumps here that the biofalls, I was concerned that the biofalls may not be able to handle that much flow. So on the left-hand side, I built up a little bit of a diverter valve to be able to exhaust some of the flow coming off of this guy over here, so that it created a little bit of an extra jet. Here's the special thing. The fish in this pond came about because of her son, Brian. And her son, Brian, passed away of cancer years ago. And he was a naturalist. He loved the outdoors. He loved his fish. He loved this sort of stuff here. And it was so important to this homeowner that she got this pond put back together and up and running. She was willing to wait for us to come on out here. And she's actually a big fan of ours through Facebook and through social media. And she sought us out and she was just like, I gotta have you, Carl. I've seen your work, I've seen your videos. And you know what? At first, when I'm talking to her, I'm just like, oh my gosh, this lady, she's seen all my videos. I'm so humbled, I'm flattered, you know? But then once we got to work out here, she said, Carl, I don't care how you redesign it, I just want you to have fun and make it look as natural as possible. So I'm gonna walk you through the waterfalls, I'm gonna let you see what we did, I'm gonna let you see the flow up close, so come on and follow me, check this out. Now, anytime you do brand new pond construction, the water is going to be somewhat murky, and that's where we're at right now. I assure you, tomorrow morning, this pond is going to be doggone close to crystal clear. This spillway stone over here, I need you to understand how awesome this is. Look at this. The water flowing over this spillway stone has been flowing like this and carving out of this stone for thousands of years. And we were so lucky to find this, and look at how this thing just flows naturally over here. This isn't the only one. We've got another one over here that you can see. This one here has also been doing this. Look at how much flow is coming off of this. And there's another one right over here. This one over here took me by surprise. I really did not expect this flow to happen the way that it did over here. It's kicking out over here, and it's kicking out over here, and it's being, the split between these two falls here is absolutely dead on perfect. I love this drop right here. I absolutely love the way this is. And look at how much flow is coming off of this. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so take a look at this over here. Up top. Oh man, that's so refreshing. It's been hot out here. So up top, we went ahead and we created 2 horsetail falls. So we got a horsetail fall that's coming down off the side of this over here and kicking down and sliding down this rock. And right here, there's a light here that's going to shine up and illuminate this water as it falls down at night. Same thing over here on this side. This one here is going to shine up and light up this fall. Look at how much flow there is. Is that just not amazing? That's just so beautiful, right? I love this job. I love the construction about it. I love the homeowners. I love working out here in Temecula wine country. This has just been such a blessing to be able to work with these guys. And to be able to build something like this in memoriam for their son is such a huge honor. So this week, we've wrapped up a wedding venue. We've wrapped up a memorial pond. We're just getting started for 2019. So if you like our videos, if you're just coming across me for the first time and you like my energy and you like our work, you can call me, 888-713-7771. Extension number 4 will ring my cell phone, and I would love to chat with you. We've built projects all over the country, and we do travel, and we'd love to be able to build for you too. That's the other thing. If you're also new to my channel, and if you're seeing us in social media, don't just like the post that you're seeing this video in. Actually go into YouTube and subscribe to my channel. Those subscriptions mean so much to me. And I'm Carl with Columbia Water Gardens, and I'm here to remind you that gopher proofing ponds the absolute best way you possibly can, not even, and hoping that they never come back matters. Happy ponding. It's all right. Did you get it?
Oh, did I?
That's the cameraman right there. You're still filming.
Oh man.
Hey, did you have fun?
This is a fun project.
What's your favorite part?
Definitely that last spillway. That last spillway was nice.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. You want to go home?
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Right.